Okay, we're ready.
Put her blue up there. Alright. Go open your present from Mommy and Daddy for your Christmas. There you go.
What is it? What is it?
Carrot, get in there. What is it? Yeah.
Rip it up, baby.
Come over here and pull this. Come over here. Come over here and pull this. Pull this way.
What is it? Is it a bike?
What is it?
Oh.
Did you get a bike?
Oh, boy.
Pull hard. There you go.
Chloe got a bike. A bike.
Here's some more.
Daddy, she wants it out.
You want it out? All right.
Thank you.
Daddy, go get a knife. Open it up with.
Do you like it? You do?